Good. The next item is letters N, G have 3 sounds. Only the first one here is a problem. This is the sound, and not go sound. In other words, the first example, sing, sing. Do not say sing. Do not say sing. Sing, sing. And cut that sound. Sing, ring, rang. Sing, ring, rang. Okay, cut that sound. Do not make it long. The second sound of NG is jaw, 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 jaw. Second sound of the spelling NG, as in danger, dingy, danger, dingy. And the third sound of the letters NG is go, 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 as in anger, 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 anger. Go, go, go. Now notice with the last one there, anger, in the Devanagari English spelling, after the last sound go, there is no hullant. There is no hullant or stop sign like that after go. Okay? You keep it going like a half sound. Anger, anger, anger. No hullant or half like a stop sign. Thank you.